My name is Arya Suresh, and I'm from Kannur, Kerala. Currently working as a QA engineer at Mystic Infotech, which is a company in Technopark Trivandrum, which is also in Kerala. About my background, I have worked before as a in QA itself. I have 3 years of experience in QA, working in manual. I've worked for 3 companies as a manual tester, software test engineer in manual, and work with different projects like e-commerce, hotel management websites, and all. I completed my BTech in 2019. My in computer science and engineering. I was a 2015 batch, and my university was Kerala Technological University. And I got my degree in 2020. My last exam was on 2019. Before joining Crio, I was only having an exposure towards manual testing in QA. So I was only aware of a little about automation, like having a wide hands-on experience on automation. Like I was only aware of some tools, and I was not having much knowledge on Java and all. After attending the Crio's fellowship, it was having more exposure towards automation. I got to do automation frameworks. I got to engage with more tools in automation, and I also made a pretty much good knowledge in Java as well. I got to know Crio from website. Like I was just surfing through the internet, and I just got a advertisement regarding the QA program which is going on in Crio platform, and I just DM'd them about the details, and just then they contacted me, and just they have informed me that I can choose a curriculum which, by customizing my preferences. I can take a curriculum of my own, and I only have to do necessary things according to that curriculum. So it was very much easier for me, and it was so informative that I can take only what is necessary from that course. So it was so helpful for me. My fellowship program was on QA Automation Advanced for SDET, Software Development Engineering and Test. So it was a course program which consists of which covers more advanced learning on Java. Then basically the data structure analysis and all. Then they covered QA part. In QA part, they covered more tools like Selenium. Then they have given much information regarding the CI, like the CI/CD pipelines and all. That was pretty much informative, and I have gained much knowledge. We had done a few projects, like one I would say was QTrip, which was a travel booking website, and we had covered more functional areas, more functional testing, and also I have had hands-on testing on API testing also in QTrip. So that was something which I can refer to other companies. Like if I were adding to my resume, that was the more highlighted project. In my current company, I have just joined, so I was like getting to know more about the project. Right now, I haven't assigned any responsibility like any work stuffs and all. But my role is QA engineer, which will be dealing with more the QA side as well as the development side. Will be collaborating with everyone, with the team, within the team, like developers, product owner, the client, everything. So it's like more collaborated role. I have some friends who were initially with me, who were like I was taken a just an online course and all at that time before entering into my industrial experience. Before my industrial experience, I have taken some of the online courses, online videos, and I have watched online videos and all. That time, I have got some friends with me who were engaging with me to know more about the QA, but they were stuck somewhere. So I would recommend this program for them. As I had said before, like I have only experience in manual. I was damn sure the industry would be like the technical industry would be like going forward, shifting towards automation. Like in few years, every industry will be like switching from manual to automation. So I would, as a QA person, I'm responsible to know more about the automation, and I would want to have hands-on experience also. So Crio offers more projects, covers more projects in automation. So I chose Crio for that.